Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Alina and I'm your Russian teacher. I'm sure you've all heard the Russian word "давай" and always wondered what does it mean? Because actually we use it in many different situations and sometimes it's not even understandable why in this situation we use the word "давай" when we have some other words that can express the same meaning. But yeah, we choose to use the word "давай". And now I'm gonna present to you 9 different ways of how Russian people use the word "давай". Exactly this form, not other forms like дай, давать, даю. No, exactly the form "давай". Before continue watching this video, don't forget to like it and to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn Russian language with me. The key to understanding what we want to say when we use the word "давай" is to listen to our intonation, because many times it's possible to understand what we mean if you listen carefully and if you kind of understand the situation you're in. But as I said, not always it's clear, and that's why I'm gonna share with you all these situations where we need to use it. Especially if you want to use it, you need to know for sure if you can say the word "давай" and if you're using it correctly, or if you can't do it. And the first situation is not really obvious. We use the word "давай" instead of the word "пока". Yes, "пока" like bye, goodbye. So instead of the word "пока", we can simply say "давай", and it'll mean the same thing, like "пока-пока", "давай", "давай, пока". Sometimes you can use it in the combination "давай, пока", and sometimes you can use just the word "давай", and it'll be clear for all what you're trying to say.
Мне пора идти. Давай, пока.
As you can understand, this situation is informal, so you will use "давай" only with your friends, people your own age, or people younger than you, because it's only informal and colloquial. You cannot say "давай" in some formal situation. Then the second meaning is when we want someone to start doing something. In this case, grammatically, it would be correct to use the word "давай" plus infinitive. Давай начинать, давай смотреть, давай делать. So here you want to start the action. I can use it a lot during my lessons. I can say давай читать, давай смотреть, давай слушать, and all these different activities that we usually do during the lessons.
Ну что, давай смотреть.
The third one is similar, but grammatically it's different and it has a little bit different meaning. This time it's a proposal, like a suggestion to do something. And grammatically, also we won't use infinitive like before. Here we use perfective aspect of the verb in the form мы. Мы сделаем, мы посмотрим, мы прочитаем. All these forms, they are perfective aspect for мы. And like this, you combine them and you get this suggestion to do something. Давай посмотрим, давай прочитаем, давай сделаем.
Я Лариса Гузеева. Это «Давай поженимся». Добрый день.
You see the difference between them. This one also I can use during my lessons. I can say давай прочитаем, давай сделаем. But this time I suggest something. Before I wanted to start the action already. It wasn't a suggestion, it was my request to start doing something. Okay, the meaning number 4 is also not very obvious. Can be hurry up. So давай, давай, давай делай, or давай быстрее. You can use the word быстрее, like faster, or you can simply say давай, давай. And like this, people understand. This meaning, as you can hear, is all about the intonation. So how you say it, your body language, everything helps you to understand what a person tries to tell you. Давай, давай, быстрее.
Давай, 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 быстрее, быстрее.
You see, But obviously, this one for some people can sound rude, so also don't try to use it in formal situations, especially if you're talking to people older than you. It's not really cool to use this meaning of the word давай. The next one, again, is all about our body language and our intonation. That would be motivation to do something. You see, they're kind of similar, hurry up, motivation, but if before it was kind of rude, here it's more like motivational speech. So you say, давай, ты можешь. So here it's more about the motivation.
Ну давай, прыгай, чё ты?
Another meaning is the repetition of the action. So when you want to ask someone to repeat the action. Давай еще раз or давай другое.
Ладно, давай другое.
The next meaning is important because here you offer your help to other people. And here you use давай, давайте plus я form because you're offering to help, so that would be logical to use я. Давай я сделаю, давай я помогу, давай я схожу. All these forms will be again perfective, but in the ya form. And this time it's only about offering your help.
Давай-ка я тебе помогу.
The meaning number 8 is really common to use. I use it a lot. Russian people use it a lot. That's the agreement. Agreement to do something. So when another person offers you something or suggests you to do something, you can simply say давай, да, давай. Again. This one is about intonation, because here you simply agree to something. Да, давай.
Ой, да, давай.
The next one, that's the sign to finish something. For example, during the exam, during the test, teachers in Russia might say «Всё, давайте», «Всё, давай». So it means that's it, we finished. Like, give me your work.
Время, все, давай.
And the last one. Finally, here this one is probably the easiest one, the more logical one, because here we talk about the original verb давать. Давать, that's actually the imperfective form of the verb дать, to give something to someone. And this meaning will be give me. More often you hear дай мне, because дай мне is more common to use. That's perfective aspect, and perfective aspect we use when we talk about one single action or an action that you are performing just once. And that's why дай мне is more common to use. But sometimes it's also possible to use давай when you want to show maybe the process of the action, the repetition of the action, or simply it's better for the context, for the situation where you're using it. So here instead of дай мне книгу, you can hear how people use давай мне книгу. Давай мне.
Давай мне тогда.
If you're not familiar with verbs and aspects of the verbs, how to use them, what is imperfective, what is perfective, I have a course on Udemy that you can simply study and you'll be able to recognize the aspects, to know how to use them in your daily Russian conversations and to understand the concept of this topic. This topic is very important in Russian, so you might want to learn it. And that's it. You see, it's not that complicated. Probably some of these meanings you already knew before, you've heard it somewhere. Maybe if you're playing games with Russian people, they very often use this word давай. Or if you're watching some Russian movies, also you will hear plenty of times like people use давай. Or if you're talking to natives, Russian natives, obviously you will hear it from them too. So here, I hope it was helpful, and now you know all the meanings and all the situations where you can use the word давай. Thank you very much for watching, subscribe to my channel and learn Russian with me.